this video, we're going to take a look at the Zoekim barrel clamp mount. This is basically used for a shotgun if you need to put in a clamp between the barrel and the magazine tube. Then this will also provide Picatinny rails for you to attach a light to if you need to, or any other device you might want. This is from Zoekim, available on Amazon. Suggested retail price on these currently $12.99, so makes a really good value. And so we'll go ahead and take a look here. So this comes with basically the clamp parts itself. So this would clamp around the barrel and the magazine tube. This comes with the mounting screws. And the assembly tools that you would need. So as far as how these would assemble, and then this one will go through on this side. Now, YouTube frowns on actually showing installation of things on actual firearms, so...
And use your imagination!
So basically, this would clamp down on the barrel and the magazine tube of the shotgun. It does two things. It would help to clamp down and hold those two items together in position. If you put an extended magazine extension on the tube of your shotgun, this will help to stabilize that and keep it from moving around on you, which could cause it to jam up. So it does that, and then also once you have that in place, you could install the Picatinny rail on one side or the other, or on both. Comes with two rails, and that way not only will you be stabilizing the magazine tube and the barrel, but you'll also be adding a Picatinny rail that you can put a side-mounted light on. Makes it a really convenient place because essentially, again, using your imaginations, that would put it to where your barrel and your magazine tube going through, you have your light, and where you'd be gripping it to operate the pump, it would be right there to operate the tail switch. So overall, these are very nice, constructed of aluminum. Machining looks to be very good on them. And really, for $12.99, I don't see how you can go wrong. These would represent a good value. I have an affiliate link down below if you're interested in checking these out for yourself. So we'll go ahead and wrap up for now there. So until next time, stay safe.